Hello everyone, I am Mr. Hrishikesh Sharma and I am going to give a brief demonstration on contact angle analyzer. A contact angle is the angle that a liquid creates with the solid or liquid when it is deposited on it. We can also define the contact angle as the angle measured through the liquid where a liquid vapor interface meets a solid surface via the Young's equation. Contact angle measurement is another useful surface characterization method. Data from this technique can provide information on wettability, hydrophobicity, and morphology of the surface. Wetting refers to the study of how a liquid deposited on a solid substrate spreads out, or the ability of liquids to form boundary surfaces with the solid states. The wetting, as mentioned before, is determined by measuring the contact angle, which is the liquid forms in contact with the solid or liquids. The wetting tendency is larger the smaller the contact angle or the surface tension is. A wetting liquid is a liquid that forms a contact angle with the solid which is smaller than 90 degree, whereas a non-wetting liquid creates a contact angle between the 90 degree and 180 degree with the solid. From everyday life, we know that small droplets and bubbles are spherical, which gives the minimum surface area for a fixed volume. This intermolecular force to contract the surface is called the surface tension, and it is responsible for the shape of liquid droplets. In practice, external forces such as gravity deform the droplet. Consequently, the contact angle is determined by a combination of surface tension and external forces such as gravity. Theoretically, the contact angle is expected to be a characteristic for a given solid liquid system in a specific environment. As first described by Thomas Young in 1805, the contact angle of a liquid drop on an ideal solid surface is defined by the mechanical equilibrium of the drop under the action of three interfacial tensions. The Young equation for contact angle is given in the screen.
This is the DM501 series contact analyzer, and it can use to measure the contact angle of a solid sample and surface tension of a liquid. The Kiowa contact angle analyzer basically has 5 components. This is the tilting surface, tilting stage, where we can keep the sample. This is the camera. It is the light source. Here it is the dispenser, and this is the dispenser controller. The dispenser injects water on the sample. This contact angle analyzer basically uses sessile drop method and extraction contraction method to measure contact angle, and it uses also pendant drop method to measure surface tension of a liquid.
We have our own Kiowa DM501 model contact angle analyzer, and now we are going to explain the basics of contact angle measurement and how they are usually performed. The measurement involves two steps: recording and analysis. The equipment required to perform a contact angle measurement can be very simple. The most common method uses three basic components: a light source, a camera, and a tilting stage. The contact angle measurement process has basically 4 steps. Number 1. The stage is flattened so that the droplet does not move during the deposition. Number 2. A droplet of a liquid is deposited by a dispenser on the stage. Number 3. The droplet is illuminated from behind and an image is recorded by the camera. Number 4. And the last stage, the image is analyzed using code or software and a contact angle measurement is determined. We have our basically FAMAS software along with the Kiowa DM501 series. The FAMAS software generally uses 4 steps for measuring contact angle. First step is defining a baseline. The baseline of the measurement is the horizontal line that represents the solid on which the droplet is being deposited. The contact angle is the angle at the point where the baseline meets the droplet edge. The second step is pressing the droplet edge. We can't calculate the contact angle without knowing where the droplet edge meets the baseline. the third step is determining the gradient. We must determine the gradient of the tangent of the droplet edge at the point where it meets the baseline. As the edge tracing, this can be done by programmatically using software. The fourth and the last step is calculating the contact angle. Once we have a baseline and a gradient, we can calculate the angle between them. To do this, we can use the trigonometric functions of tan. The software uses theta by 2 and tangent method for calculating the contact angle.
This is the famous interface measurement and analysis system software which is used to measure the contact angle. It uses basically theta by 2 and tangent method to analyze contact angle of a sample. We can click this image monitor and then click on this tab to form a droplet on the sample. It will form a droplet of 1 microliter on the sample. The camera captures image of the droplet. The contact angle of the sample is found to be 79.9 degree, which is slightly hydrophilic.
The contact angle of a sample depends upon various factors. The factors are basically roughness of the sample, porosity of the sample, surface energy of the solid sample and surface tension of the liquid, the functional group present on the solid sample. These are very important factors which can determine the wettability and contact angle of a unknown sample. The topic of wetting and contact angle has received tremendous interest from both fundamental and applied points of view. It plays an important role in many industrial processes such as oil recovery, lubrication, liquid coating, printing and spray quenching. In recent years, there has been increasing interest in the study of super hydrophobic surfaces due to their potential applications in, for example, self-cleaning, nanofluidics and electrowetting, etc. Thank you very much.